everybody. So I'm extremely happy, and I'm gonna tell you why. Because I got presents, and I'm gonna be cooking, because I like to cook. But I got all kinds of presents. So I got this. It's a puzzle. I like doing puzzles. I got this right here. And I'll show you. The chessboard is like this. It's magnetic so that I could play. And I got this bag, and in it I have McDonald Land. I have a heart. I have, this is a puzzle, and you open it, and it got all kinds of pages to write in it. But this is my favorite part right here. The front, it has stickers. And I love stickers. So I have this. It's a necklace. I got this. You can put it on like your table or dresser drawer. I got fidget toys. That's one of my favorite things to do, is play with fidget toys. I got more jewelry. I got a hat. I got these. They look like this, and then when you scratch them, you can make designs, or just like that. You scratch them and make designs. They pretty cool. I like them. I got this. It says hello, and it lights up hello. And I have candy. I have lots of candy, especially caramels, my favorite. I have candy apple lip balm, and I got some autism buttons. And see, autism buttons. And I have some lemon and sage lotion. So those presents are pretty cool that I got. I really like them. So that's the presents for this bag. Oh yeah, and I got this too. You put it on your hair. It's a flower, so I can like put it on my hair. And now let's move to another present. I have this box, and inside of this box I have bowls, brand new bowls. See, brand new bowls so that I can have friends over when I cook meals. And brand new cups. I got all these brand new cups too. And a whole bunch of brand new plates. So I have all of that. Okay. Now, I'm gonna start showing you more presents. I have this. And the cool thing about it is you can do coffee grounds. You can do coffee grounds or like TVs. You can do the K-cups and stuff like that. It works with all of those. So I got my coffee maker. And I'm gonna be making hot chocolate and things like that with it. And check this out. I'm gonna be able to make sandwiches. Now let's get to more presents. I have a griddle. A waffle maker. And in here I show you the bowls and the plates and the cups. So in this one I have dessert bowls. So that I can have a bowl, a plate, a cup, and then for dessert, this can be used. And I think I'll show you my waffle maker. I think I'll show you that already. And let me get to this one. Oh. In this box, I have And I have oven mittens, and I have some oven pans because I'll need that for my air fryer. Got an air fryer, guys. So I'm gonna be cooking meals with my air fryer. So on the videos coming up, I'm gonna be showing you how to make meals with disabilities using things like this. And I got another present. Oh, oof, it's heavy. It's a crock pot. Yep, I have a crock pot. So those are my presents that I have, and I'm really excited about it. So my sister got me some really cool things to cook with, and now I'm gonna be able to cook breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and I'm gonna be able to do it kind of independently, because that's why I got these, because I like to cook and I'm not allowed to turn on the stove, and I'm gonna be using my oven mittens at all times. Right here. Let's try them on and see how they look. Wow, it fits perfectly. And it says that's hot. So that reminds me that something's gonna be hot. So those are all my gifts that I got for this year. I have a really awesome sister. My sister loves me so much, and I love her. And I don't get to see my mom anymore because she died last year in 2024. So my sister takes care of me now, and I get cool things so that I can cook. I don't really get to play with toys anymore. My sisters got me into other things now. So I'm going to really enjoy these things, my griddle and everything. It's going to be so fun. And so when I unbox these, I'm going to be making more videos of unboxing these things and using them. And we're going to be making meals together all next year in 2026. Yay! Thank you everybody for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. I'm blessed. Don't forget that you blessed. We always need to thank God for everything we got, because He is great. And my sister is the best, and I love her. Please like and subscribe.